Hey everyone, welcome back to Englamp Light. It's me, Nitin, your English learning partner. I hope you are doing great today. Thanks for joining me. Let me tell you something simple but powerful. If you really want to grow in life, you need to keep updating yourself. Think about it. We update our mobile apps regularly, right? When we don't update them, some features stop working and sometimes the app even crashes. It is the same with our English. If we don't update our skills, we get stuck. We feel left behind. And that is what today's story is all about. Stay with me till the end because I'll share practical tips, useful vocabulary, and simple exercises that you can apply immediately. Let's get started. Let me tell you about Ramesh. He was a very good person, but he always felt like he was falling behind. Let pause here. Falling behind means other people are moving forward, but you are not able to catch up. Example sentences using falling behind. I don't want to fall behind in my career. I don't want to fall behind in my career. She felt like she was falling behind when her friends got promoted. She was falling behind when her friends got promoted. Can you think of a time when you felt like you were falling behind? Try making your own sentence now. Writing your own examples help you remember. Back to the story. Ramesh's friends were improving their English, getting better jobs, and moving forward. But Ramesh was hesitant. Hesitant means feeling unsure or not ready to take action. Feeling unsure or not ready to take action. Example sentences. I was hesitant to speak in public. I was hesitant to speak in public. He was hesitant to join the new project. He was hesitant to join the new project. Try this. Pause for a moment and make your own sentence using hesitant. When you create your own examples, you start using the word naturally in conversation. One day, Ramesh visited a bookstore and found a small book titled Speak to Yourself First. That made him feel curious. Curious means wanting to know or learn more. Example sentences. I was curious about how successful people think. I was curious about how successful people think. Children are always curious about new things. Children are always curious about new things. Take a second now. Try making your own sentence using curious. The book said something simple. If you want to improve, start by talking yourself. If you want to improve, start by talking to yourself. That changed his mindset. From that day, Ramesh became determined. Determined means strongly decided and fully focused. Strongly decided and fully focused. Example sentences. I am determined to improve my English this year. I am determined to improve my English this year. She is determined to speak fluently in every meeting. She is determined to speak fluently in every meeting. Try this. Make your own sentence using determined. Writing your own sentence makes the word yours. Ramesh did not wait for perfect conditions. He started with small steps, just 5 minutes of practice every day. That is called consistency. Consistency means doing something regularly without skipping. Doing something regularly without skipping. Example sentences. Success comes from consistency, not from one big effort. Success comes from consistency, not from one big effort. Her consistency helped her improve quickly. Her consistency helped her improve quickly. Make your own sentence using consistency. Write it down and say it aloud. This is how you build long term memory. As Ramesh kept practicing, he built momentum. Momentum means steady progress and keeps growing. Steady progress and keeps going. Example sentences. Once you build momentum, learning becomes easier. Once you build momentum, learning becomes easier. He gained momentum after practicing daily. He gained momentum after practicing daily. Quick exercise. Try using momentum in your own sentence. When you connect your life to the world, you remember it faster. Ramesh slowly became more confident, but what really changed him was he was resilience. Resilience means the ability to keep going even after making mistakes or facing failure. Resilience means the ability to keep going even after making mistakes or facing failure. Example sentences. Be resilient. Mistakes are part of learning. Be resilient. Mistakes are part of learning. She is resilient. She never gives up. Now make your own sentences using resilient. Writing your own examples will help you use this word naturally. This habit changed his entire mindset. Mindset means the way you think and how you approach challenges. The way you think and how you approach the challenges. Example sentences. A positive mindset helps you keep learning. A positive mindset helps you keep learning. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything. With the right mindset, you can achieve anything. Make your own sentence using mindset. Ramesh realized something important. It is not about being perfect, it is about making progress. Progress means steady improvement even if it is slow. Steady improvement even if it is slow. Example sentences. Focus on your progress, not your mistakes. Focus on your progress, not your mistakes. Small progress every day leads to big success. Small progress every day leads to big success. Try using progress in your own sentence. When you write it, you remember it. Let's quickly understand why choosing the right words is important. When I say curious instead of interested, it sounds more active and lively. When I say resilient instead of strong, it shows mental strength, not just physical power. When you use better vocabulary, you don't just speak, you connect, you inspire, and you leave a stronger impact. Quick tip. Every time you learn a new word, don't just read it. Make your own sentence. Write it down and say it loud. That's how the word becomes part of your natural speaking. I'll give you a tip. Mirror challenge. What does it mean? Let's try a simple and powerful exercise. The mirror practice challenge. For the next 7 days, speak to yourself in English for 2 to 3 minutes every day. Pick one new word each day from this story. Make your own sentence using that word. Say it aloud and repeat. When you practice this way, you will stop being afraid of English. You will start enjoying the process. Remember, When you build your own sentence, you build your own English. If you are ready to update yourself, comment below. I am updating myself. If you found this story useful, please like this video. Subscribe to Englamp Lite for more practical story-based English lessons. Share this video with your friends who are also learning English. Thank you so much for watching. I am Nitin, your English learning partner from Englamp Lite. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep moving forward. Take care. Bye bye.